guys, it's me again here today. I'm using my phone to record this mainly because I don't really want to take my tablet outside because it's just a little bit logical, and plus I'm doing a tractor update, as it should have said. Well, tractor, making sure everything's okay. So same with this bitch, just gently top it off. Fuck. I remember that little overflow. As you can see, there you go, you've got some water in it. There's the water done. Yeah, that battery doesn't work, you can get it wet, you know. It's been out for like 6 months. It's pretty shitty. That's checked, that's done. So, I haven't started it in a while. Don't really want to start it today, because I said weather. And plus, I don't even know how much diesel I've got in the bastard. So, I'm going to actually check the diesel. Yep, pretty empty. Kind of what I thought. We've got like the littlest bit in the bottom. I guess that will get you to see that end pole there. Zoom you bitch. Well, that end pole there, it'll probably get you there and maybe back. You know. Check the gears. Okay, they seem to be working. Clutch has been seized. This is a little thing that I made. It's all rotted through now. But yeah, I need to put a new bottom on it. But it holds this bucket, goes on the back of the 3-point. Yeah, it's a bit rotten. So yeah, that needs replacing. I'll drive that out to the front one day. Just holds this bucket. Yeah. Oh yeah, check PTO on this.